If you are aiming for 8 band or plus score in your IELTS writing and speaking, then this video is for you. Now, a lot of students commit this mistake of using a lot of informal words in their writing and speaking tasks. So what you should do is, whenever you're writing your sentences, the first thing that you should remember is to make complex sentences. You can see my complex sentence video in my YouTube channel. Now this video is regarding the difference between formal and informal words. So you must know the difference between the informal and the formal words, and you must always at all costs avoid using informal words in your speaking as well as your writing tasks. So the words that are written in red color are the informal words, and the words which are written in blue color are the formal words that you are going to use in your tasks. So guys, without wasting any time, we can clearly see that on the top left side, the word is very interesting. So instead of writing very interesting, you can use captivating, that he is a captivating person, he is a very interesting person. Next one is very large. So instead of using very large, huge. Very lazy, indolent. He is an indolent person, he is a very lazy person. Very little. So tiny can be used in place of very little. The next one is very long, you can use extensive. Next one is very long term, you can use enduring. Next one is very loose. The word for very loose is slack. Next one is very loud, you can use thunderous in place of loud. There was a thunderous noise from the collision of bus and a car. Next one is very afraid. You can use fearful in place of very afraid. Next one is very angry, furious. Very annoying, exasperating. Very bad, awful. Very beautiful, gorgeous. Very big, massive. Very boring, dull. Very bright, luminous. Very busy, swarmed. Very open, transparent. Very painful, excruciating. That I was feeling excruciating pain. Next one is very pale, ashen. Very perfect, flawless. Very poor, destitute. Very powerful, compelling. Very pretty, beautiful. Very quick, rapid. Very quiet, hushed. So guys, I'm repeating this again, that the words written in red color are not grammatically wrong. You can use them. You may use them, but the thing is, if you are looking for a score anywhere near to 8 band or more, then you must avoid these words at all costs. You must always use the formal words in your writing and speaking task. So wait for the next list to come. Till then, you can practice these words, you can make the sentences, and then you can try to use these words and sentences in your writing and speaking of IELTS. So guys, this is the next list of the words. So in the red, these words must always be avoided. I repeat again, these are not grammatically wrong, but you must always try and use the words in blue because they are more formal. So let's start from the top left side. Very mean is cruel. Very messy, you can write slovenly in place of very messy. So in place of very necessary, you can write essential. Very nervous, apprehensive. Very nice, kind. Very noisy, deafening. Very often, frequently. Very old, ancient. Very old fashioned, archaic. Next one is very happy. So in place of very happy, you can use I am feeling ecstatic today. Ecstatic means very happy. Very hard, difficult. Very hard to find, rare. Very heavy is laden. Very high is soaring. Very hot is sweltering. Today it is sweltering. Very huge, colossal. The structure of the stadium is colossal. Very huge. Next one is very hungry. It can be written as starving. Very hurt can be written as battered. Next one is very confused. It can be written as perplexed. Very creative can be used as innovative. Very crowded can be written as bustling. In place of very cute, you must use adorable. In place of very dangerous, you can use perilous. Next one is very dear, cherished, very deep, profound, very depressed, despondent, very detailed, meticulous, very different, disparate. So guys, I'm going to give you a mantra right now. In these two videos, I have given you more than 80 or 90 words, the formal words which must be used in your writing and speaking. So the best way to memorize these words is to practice them. Every day, try to make sentences of at least 40 to 50 such words and then try and use them in your speaking and writing while practicing.